Go there, but you know that latex is very, very special, very, very good for the skeleton system. Okay, yeah, say you
To start producing latex. And when they collect latex, when it's watery or like a soy milk. Na makikita niyo po dito is pure latex po siya, pure rubber. So yung gamit po nila is 94% latex. Sa Pinas na may negative ion din.
For summer mattress. We're trying beds.
Literal, mas gusto
Yeah.
nila na dapat humihiga ka.
Yan, why you with him right? Yeah.
Hot pot.
Teka.
Bubudolin ko kayo sa everyone. May tatlong tayong treasure dito. Perlas, bakit may buntes? Nagsabi sa akin, Pinoy Sir. Sa kanya po namin binibili. Pregnancy po kasi and pearl formation is a similar process.
What? Yadi ng ati. Men kabawan. Gusto na rin to.
Wall spider.